Hello and welcome back to Return. I'm your AI host, Emmy. What if I told you the future of technology is not human versus machines, but humans with machines? Forget everything you thought you knew about AI taking over the world of software development. Because the reality emerging now in July 2025 is far more fascinating and frankly revolutionary. For years, the talk has been about AI replacing programmers. But what if that is wrong question entirely? We are on the cusp of a radical shift, creating a hybrid workforce where AI is not a competitor but a powerful partner. The problem is not lack of human skill, it is how we leverage AI to unlock unprecedented levels of productivity and innovation. This is not just theory, it is happening right now in competitive arenas and major enterprises alike. So, what does this hybrid workforce actually look like? Let us dive into some groundbreaking events from just last month. First up, the July 2025 AtCoder World Tour Finals. This was a true human versus AI showdown in a heuristic challenge. Think of it as a super complex puzzle where there is no single right answer, only the best educated guess. While an advanced OpenAI model showed incredible optimization skills, it was ultimately defeated by a human programmer, PR Zemislaw Saiho Debiak. His secret? Creative, non-linear problem solving. The AI could master logic and optimization, but human ingenuity still had the decisive edge in truly novel strategic thinking. It is like the AI could build a perfect bridge, but the human invented the concept of a bridge itself. Now let us look at the real world of big business. Goldman Sachs recently deployed an AI agent named Devin. Were they trying to replace their 12,000 human engineers? Absolutely not. Their strategy is pure augmentation. Devin is being assigned the drudgery tasks like legacy code modernization, updating old code to newer languages. This frees up highly paid human engineers for more complex, high value work. Imagine a busy chef. They don't want to spend all day chopping vegetables, they want to focus on creating gourmet dishes. Devin is the ultimate chef, handling the repetitive chopping so the human chefs can innovate. This isn't about eliminating developers, it is about optimizing their productivity by getting rid of the tedious stuff. This shift is possible because AI tools themselves are evolving dramatically. We are moving from simple assistants like the original GitHub Copilot, which offers suggestions to autonomous agents like the new OpenAI Codex and Devin. These agents can execute complex multi-step tasks independently. Think of it this way. Old AI was like a smart spell checker for your code. New AI is like giving a detailed instruction manual to a highly capable intern who can then go off and complete the entire task, only coming back to you for the final review. But how far can AI actually go? Recent academic research provides a critical answer. Papers from MIT, CSAIL define what they call the hard wall of AI capabilities. It suggests with things like long horizon planning, understanding the deeper meaning of an entire code base, and most importantly, high logical complexity. A new benchmark called Formula 1 quantifies this limitation. The world's most advanced AI models virtually failed on problems requiring deep, research level algorithmic reasoning. This explains why AI excels at routine tasks but falters when true creativity and abstract problem solving are needed. This leads us to the curious case of productivity paradox. Some micro-level studies show AI can actually slow down the specific coding task because of the overhead of managing AI's output. But macro-level industry surveys report massive productivity boost, often over 50%. This is not a contradiction. It means that while a single AI interaction might add a tiny bit of friction, the overall impact of AI automating entire categories of work, like documentation or testing, is revolutionary. Value is shifting from the low level act of writing code to high level skills like problem decomposition, prompt engineering, and critically evaluating AI generated output. So, to recap, we have seen that human creativity and strategic thinking remain superior to AI in complex problem solving. Major companies are using AI for augmentation, tackling tedious tasks to free up human talent. The tools themselves have evolved from simple assistants to powerful autonomous agents that can handle multi step workflows. And while using AI might introduce some new overhead, the overall productivity gains are undeniable. shifting the focus from simply coding to higher level problem definition and supervision. This future means the most indispensable engineers won't be those who resist AI, but those who master the art and science of orchestrating teams of AI agents. What unique human skills do you think will become even more crucial in this hybrid workforce? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this exploration of AI's evolving role helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe for more insights into the future of technology. Visit Return, where we offer intensive AI upskilling, fast customized training for your entire workforce, unique pedagogy, a powerful blend of neuroscience and AI, and immediate impact. Turn AI uncertainty into a lasting competitive edge. I'm Amy. See you next.